Motorsport with a 2004 Porsche GT3 with our Fabspeed Motorsport muffler bypass pipes. We're going to give you an audio demonstration. We're going to do cold start up. That's cold start up. Complies with warranty, complies with emissions. Simple bolt on. It saves 60 pounds on all GT3s, N996s, and 997s. We'll give you 3 flips of the throttle. GT3 with muffler bypass pipes. Slow speed cruise, GT3 muffler bypass pipes. If you soft pedal it, it is livable on a daily basis, but it's very aggressive when you're on the throttle.